Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
What? Look, we're at the Fiesta Store at North Star. I didn't know there was one. I'm so excited. Fiesta at North Star. www.fiestastores.com. No, it doesn't say mall. It just says at North Star. I'm gonna go inside and oh my gosh, there's a giant cocoa piñata. Oh.
Miguel, that's Miguel.
Yeah, from there.
Coco.
From Coco. You see it in there?
Yeah, from Coco.
This is gonna be exciting. Is it open? It says open. Okay. Oh, look at the trees.
There's a parking place, is it?
All right, so no strollers around. No public restroom. Yikes, no backpacks are permitted in the store. What else does it say? No strollers, now hiring. Oh, look how cute. Aww. Okay, hold on. Look at all the piñatas. I really like the Miguel one. We have no public restroom. They're all hooked together. You see? You have to get a whole bag. That's cool with the fish in there. This is just amazing. What is
That's all
this?
they gonna be. The one.
How much?
No.
That must be the... We'll have to ask them how much that is.
Yes, that's all.
Well, yeah, I gotta find out how...
This is all the beads I have.
Let me see.
No, all of them.
Does it have something on it? So Tanner likes to get bags of beads. This is pretty amazing, right?
No, I'll go buy that.
Hey.
Please buy it for me no matter what.
Okay, I just wanted to know how much it was. I wasn't saying no. Look!
I think some of them fell out of the bottom.
It's not open, is it?
Not on the bottom. Not.
Is that bag open?
Not.
Is that bag open? No, it's not. So those fell out of something else.
No, I'm gonna keep them again.
Well, you can't keep them. They're not going to just let you keep them.
No, well.
No, we'll have to buy them. Look, they have Fiesta shirts up there. This is so cool. I did not know they made this place. But Tanner, look. While you're getting that, look at this. Tanner, can you see what I'm holding? Can you just acknowledge what I'm holding?
No.
They have guitars. They're $8. Ooh. Maraca.
So does every single bead I have. There is.
I'm pretty amazing. There's confetti, so we can make cascarones. I really like that. Has Mickey Mouse on the back.
Take that one out though.
Oh my gosh.
And that
This one was made for me. Tanner, look. Tanner. Look at Mickey's on the back, and it's a purple one. You need a purple guitar? I love it. It has Mickey. I ought to get it for a giveaway. So Tanner's pretty happy that he found. Oh wow! Look at these shirts. The lottery ones. So this is the heart. How much are these shirts? Oh, look at this one. Look at these masks. $38. Look at that. It's pretty. And you could get all the different color ones.
I'm gonna buy of these and these. What?
Okay.
Everything okay here?
Yeah, can you tell me how much these are?
Please don't tell me it's a lot. Bring all your beads up. I'm buying them all
Just
up.
this one and the whatever this is.
Okay.
You want to go check it
See,
out?
they're
But we're gonna
all
look
of 'em.
around at more stuff because I didn't even know this place was here. It's so cool.
The hat, they'll like.
Oh, look at the pretty pictures.
Over there. That has the gold beads. I want to buy the ones for boys.
He calls those boy beads
Boy beads? Okay.
because they don't have like designs or anything on them. Look at the Viva Fiesta shirts. Look at the tiny little guitar. Oh my gosh, I love it. This one doesn't have Mickey on the back.
Please, please, I could buy it, please.
Hey, we'll see, babe.
I better not be a lot.
What if it's like $1 million?
Then I would just say no immediately. I would
Okay.
say.
What if it's like $100? Look at that pretty nativity set.
Okay, okay.
$100 is okay?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
I better not be 100. I better not be.
$14.
Perfect. And what about, are these, I don't know, he just found them all, this one is together, but all these were loose.
Yeah, they sent them loose too.
Oh, okay.
There's something loose,
Be
did
like
it?
$1.
Yeah, they were there. You, can we look at everything, Tanner? Because there might be some more stuff I want. This is
wanna
just
hold
so
some of your
fun. Do you want her to hold them for you?
I can hold these for you. Do you want to hold some in your hand?
Well, I guess he's checking to make sure they're not weirdos. He has ones that they're called weirdos.
Yeah, I understand.
Oh, some are down here.
I'm a weirdo. I won't come apart.
That's a weirdo. Okay, well, you want to... I think maybe I can fix it from being a weirdo. Do you want me to try it? Can she hold these up here? What are those?
Thank you.
Keychains. Oh my gosh, look at that.
Oh yeah, we have keychains.
These are adorable. So how long has this place been open?
Since last November.
Almost a year?
Yes.
And I've never seen it.
Yeah, we're going to put a sign. It hasn't even been like 2 weeks ago, so that's why.
We were going to North Star Mall and then I was like, oh no, let's go get a smoothie. And then he was like, let's go there. I was like, okay. I didn't know y'all were gonna have all these beads. It's a
I knew
jackpot.
it. I
You
knew
knew it. Look how
That's
cute
what I
all
wanted to
these
come here. That's
are.
what I wanted to come
Look
for
at all the
beads.
nativity sets. I love nativity.
That's why I wanted to come
That's
here
so
for beads.
beautiful.
All right here.
Yeah.
When they do that,
Nativities and skulls.
They get that off, that thing.
As well.
Yeah, because let's see that. Look at that tie right there.
Okay. Is that a weirdo?
Yep, yes.
Okay, well I can take that one too. You don't need it, and then.
We don't need to buy weirdos.
I'm going to dig around tomorrow, I know. I don't know where to put the ones that I don't
Ooh.
want.
You can put them in the same basket, baby.
Just put them back in
Well,
there.
I'm going to put one somewhere like a mixer that
Oh, okay. We'll just hang them on the side.
Oh yeah, you can put them right there and I'll pick them up. Okay?
I do.
Right there. Then I'll pick them up and then they go.
Ooh, look at these. It's like a purse.
There's one. There's a good bead.
Are these all
Another good
mask? Okay.
And another good bead.
All right.
And another good one.
I'll look around here while you're doing that. I'm gonna look down here.
And another good one.
Look at all these guys. This is just an amazing place. Everybody should come here. If you're in San Antonio and you want to come to a place that has really cool stuff, the Fiesta Store is here. Oh my gosh, they have Mexican dresses. I really want one. I've got to find one, a short one though, because I'm short. I want one. Okay. Look at all the blankets. I need to find a big one though. They start with medium and they go. Let's see. Okay, hold on. I gotta put this.
Another pack. Like
Okay,
this.
okay, I think you've got enough of those. Can we go look at other stuff?
Look at all these.
Well, it might be too much. Oh my gosh, how cute. So yeah, Tanner's over there trying to get every single bead they have here. Hi, obsessions. Look at this one. I love these shirts. Oh, look at that piñata one. It's like called the Lotteria or something. Oh, look at these bags. We have a big one like this at home. So let's look at these shirts. Oh my word, look at these. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. It's all made in Mexico, I'm sure. Lead free. It's so pretty. I would like to do my whole dining cabinet, china cabinet in this. Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh. People need to come here. Look at all. And then there's these over here. Look at this. Oh, I love these mirrors. So pretty. Oh, look up there. Oh, good. I won't worry then.
You'll have money for this.
Okay. He's telling me not to worry. Most of the beads he found were stupid. Listen. So pretty.
Todos se alistan para guiar, con aromas y luz, el regreso de las ánimas a su hogar.
I'm gonna get one of those for today. That would be. Ooh, yes, that'll keep you warm. They're only $14.95. Oh, these are all the. Look at the ponchos. Look at the Christmas tree.
Cargados de flores y frutos para adornar las tumbas donde reposan los que se han adelantado. Panteón de cempasúchil, la flor de 20 flores. Se encienden las velas y comienza la fiesta del reencuentro. Una larga noche de velación, de cantos y plegarias.
Just a wonderful store. Look, kids stuff, $10.
Con los suyos, el misterio de la vida.
Oh, look at these bags.
Es día de
That mermaid. Oh, there's a Frito bag. Okay, look at all these piñatas.
One of the ones that I like are broken even. There's even broken ones that I like and go.
Wow. Mexican costume. Look at all the hats. I like the lighting over here. Oh, more,
Bad ones. All for gold. They're fuller.
okay. Oh, that one's pretty. $48. I want one of these. Do they have pockets? No. How about the navy blue one? Oh, that one's pretty. It's $58. Of course, it's the one I like. I need to put the phone down and look for one that I like. Oh, shirts. That might be better for me. Hey, Coco. Miguel hiding over there. Oh, look at the bat. Ooh, that's a pretty one. You still doing okay, Tan? Look at all this. Aww. Beautiful. Oh, that one's pretty. That's pretty too. So much neat stuff in here. I can't even believe it. Ooh, look at that bag. 32 bucks. Jeez, that's kind of expensive. I like these skeletons though. That's neat. So, out on our adventure today, the car takes us to the Fiesta Store. You found them all?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at the bride. Look at the bride.
So I'm gonna go check out now.
Hey, I'm still looking. I want to get a dress in the back. A nativity scene. They're so pretty. Okay, keep those all right there. Walk with me over here.
I'm hoping you'll get these.
Look at that for our houses. For our number on our house. That's beautiful. All those things.
All these beads for me.
Oh, okay. Look, I said, I know, okay.
You'll buy them?
Probably. Unless they cost $500.
I bought a cost like 50, like the same amount, not at Party City.
Look at all those
Like $50.
nativities.
My guess. I'm gonna do 50, right?
50?
Right.
I hope it's not 50. Look at those coasters. All sales are final in here.
It is 50. I'm
Check
pretty
your merchandise
non-pro.
before leaving the store. There's no returns. What are those? Okay, let's go in the
I'm
back.
not
That's
returning.
where you can't return anything if something's wrong with it. Too bad. You got said to check it before you leave. Look at Viva Fiesta. I love it.
I'll find it on, so then go put all back.
Put what back?
Oh, no beads, no.
Okay.
No.
Just a minute. Look at the devil. Look how beautiful all this stuff is. Look at those quilts up there. Oh my gosh, $600 for those up there. $589 for those blankets.
Never would
Look
get
how
that.
pretty
Never.
these. I would get these plates and things to put in my cabinet.
But never
Look at
would buy
those
those.
jackets.
Never, those.
No, I won't ever buy that. I don't have enough money for that. But I wanted to get one of these dresses. So I'm trying to find a good one that I would be comfortable in. There's red. I kind of like white.
Oh, I'm so tired of being here.
Well, you've been here just... Oh, look at the sombreros.
Another mariachi one over there. Guys.
Look, you could be a mariachi. You could be a mariachi. Tanner.
Mariachi hat.
Okay, look. This is a mariachi hat, too.
No, I'm not.
Listen, you could be a mariachi for Halloween.
I'm gonna reach over now.
Which color?
That one.
Tell me the color. I don't know what color. The purple?
Yes.
Okay, hold on. I can't reach it either. We'd have to ask for it. What do you want to do with it? Just put it on?
Yes.
Let's go see if there's another one on the other side.
Oh, and another. There might be a mariachi one over here.
Yeah.
Another different color mariachi hat.
Little one for a kid. You look cute though.
Or the grown-up one.
Oh look, they have
Or the grown-up.
Here's one. Okay, I'm going to take a picture of you. There, that's the way it goes. Put your glasses up.
And this is a real mariachi hat.
They have them all the way up to 5XLs. Every size you can imagine here. Oh, stop. Sing it. What are you going to sing? Salita Lindo?
And I have a guitar.
Well, there's ones up there.
I'm going to play them.
Do you see them over there, Tan? Right by the beads. Look at these plates. Those are pretty. Look at these. I'm finding too much stuff that I want, but of course. Ooh, there she is.
I'm a Coco Run. I'm not.
Okay, you hold it like that. There you go. You gonna sing?
Ay, 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 ay. Conti, Yolores, porque cantando se alegran, se liga lindo. Los corazones. Ay, 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 ay.
Good job! Super good job. Oops.
A mariachi hour.
Yeah. This is beautiful. You want to be a mariachi for Halloween?
Nope.
Darn it. That would be adorbs.
I'm so ready to check out. Oh my
Okay, I've got to put this back. Look at that pretty mirror down there and those cups. Oh my gosh, I love them. Oh, look at these guys. Okay, every time I say this, I'll have to come back without Tanner and do a full walkthrough of this beautiful place. Look at those chairs. All this stuff is for sale. Look at these beautiful things, man. If you're decorating your house, this is a nice place to come. What's that? You could put these up for over lights. It would be beautiful. Look at the chairs. This reminds me of my childhood, to tell you the truth. I'm coming, Tan, to check out. And they have Sprites. Oh, pretty. All right, Tan, where are you? Oh, there.
The fake one by all the stuff.
Why not? Why wouldn't the fake mama buy you all those?
Because she would say, we don't have money.
Oh, my nose is itchy. Excuse me.
We only have money for stuff we need, she would say.
Well, we need those. Right?
I'm waiting for Mom.
Oh. Can you get all buckled up so we can drive on? Well, we just got out of the Fiesta Store at North Star. There's one on downtown as well. And it was really fun. We're going to have to go check out the downtown one someday. I don't think it looks like this, though. The one downtown is just like t-shirts and like a few things. This is a cool one. So if you're ever in San Antonio and you want something to come do that's like truly San Antonio-ish and you can buy really good stuff, come here. It was
and
fun.
you could buy fish beads.
Fish beads?
Yes.
Yeah,
No.
like they have beads, but they have shapes of fish.
Yeah, I bought all the regular ones up.
Oh yeah, but what if they want to come buy like sombreros and all that cool stuff I saw in there? Most people probably don't want to buy up the beads unless they were going to Fiesta to go down, and they could get those really cool ones, those other designs. think
Why do
those
they have beads in Fiesta? Why?
just for pretty like decoration and stuff like that. So you're already organizing your beads, huh? Getting them out of that bag and putting them in the bigger bag.
Yes.
Now we've made it to the official Fiesta Store. I don't know, it doesn't have any hours of operation. Whoa, sorry. Gee whiz. Hi. Tanner, wait. Sorry, we came banging in here with that door. What are you looking for?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, I'm looking for these things right here. What do you see over there?
Anything in particular you're looking for an event or an occasion?
No, I was just seeing, we went to the other store thinking it was the official one. There's one that just says Fiesta over by North Star Mall.
Yes.
And we walked around there and it was really great and everything. And then I realized it wasn't the original one and he wanted to come over here too and see what the official one is. And I
That's
wanted
right.
to see all these things.
Of course, our biggest claim to fame are our Fiesta Forever t-shirts.
Oh, yes.
Right after
Oh, and all these.
our poster unveiling on October 24th,
Okay.
we'll have a lot more poster merchandise for 2019.
All right. And this one is,
That's our Fiesta
I
Forever.
love that one. We have a few medals that we've gotten.